This is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be putting together the Stamp of the Month free kit from me. If you purchase or earn the Stamp of the Month from Close to My Heart for this month, January 2023, and it's called Frosty Days. It's these really cute animals and trees and snowflakes. It's just adorable. I love the penguin. I think the bear is my favorite. I don't know. It's hard to tell. They're all so cute. And they're really easy to color as well, which is one of the nice things I like about them. And you could stamp them on colored cardstock and not color them at all. But what I did was I created a layout to commemorate the blizzard we just had last month, because I thought it'd give everybody a chance to get that documented right away. So in the kit, you'll have to provide your base pages unless you place an order that is $125 total before any VIP credits, before shipping and taxes added. So it makes it affordable for me to send you the base pages. If you just order and get the Stamp of the Month, you will just have to provide a couple pieces of base cardstock, okay? And you can use whatever color you like. So this is the kit, and there's lots of stuff. And right here, this I believe is an eye. So all the little pieces are in there. There's lots of them. Okay, in the card kit, you're going to get 2 of these. These are the centers for the layouts. It's a 2-page layout. Both pages are relatively the same. The top portion and the bottom portion. And of course you could make these one for the blizzard and one a different title, or a different title for both of them. Maybe you didn't have blizzard conditions where you are. But I think most of my customers did, so I know. And there's your icicles, and that's cut out of some other glitter paper, not Close to My Heart. I'm trying to use up what's in my stash. Slowly but surely it's whittling down. Okay, so these are going to go under the pieces, and you can see where they would fit. It's like a puzzle. Okay, so that'll go under that one. And it's going to be like pie layers or cake layers, and they'll be the same across. So it's relatively easy to put it together. So I'll speed it up here while I put all the pieces down. This is basically what it looks like. And of course, these would be your photo mats for on the side here. And then I also include a baggie of these cutout sheets to match your images. And you can stamp on them and color them if you would like. You could, you stamp on whatever you want and fussy cut them if you want to. It's up to you. I provide these as making it a little bit easier, but they're so cute. So this is what I came up with. So I will go ahead and put this together and then show you what it looks like. If I find anything that I need you to know, I will note it. I do want to mention that these mats, some of them they fit perfectly. Okay, so see how this one is off? So you have to move it the other way and then it will fit. Okay, the snow mounds, I'm going to call them, there is a right and a wrong way that they go on here. So if you find it's not matching up, try to turn it around and see if it fits a little bit better. And you know, when I was putting together the prototype layout, I put the wrong ones on because I didn't know until afterwards. So I thought I'd tell you ahead of time and save you that mind-boggling experience. All right, so I'll put it together and fast forward it. And if you have any questions, of course, put it in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer any questions, but I'll come back on when I'm done and you know, explain anything else that might happen. Okay. Yeah, I brought out my craft mat because I'm going to be doing a lot of gluing. I'm going to put my title together first so that I don't lose any of the little pieces. Okay, I don't know if you could notice with that moving so fast, but I had the wrong top piece on here. When I glued this part down, it was off kilter. So I grabbed the other one to put down and I had to flip it so these are not lining up correctly. So learn from my mistakes. There's a right and a wrong way for the top as well. However, I can't really switch it to be the correct way, which is probably like this, because then this piece would be on the wrong side. So don't glue down your top pieces until you have it fit in correctly. Okay, I'll continue. All right, so I'm sorry a lot of that was zoomed in instead of zoomed out, but just my thoughts on it is to just make sure that everything is in its correct area before you glue it down to be on the safe side. So, and then I have a whole bunch of these already colored, so I'm going to go ahead and use them. And if I can find any areas to tuck them under, I might not be able to, but we'll see. I like to make little scenes. I was testing my tri-blend markers to see if any of them needed to be refilled. So a lot of these are funky colors, so sorry about that. Like, you know, the pink squirrel, and there's a pink penguin. You just never know what I was going to use. You arrange your animals how you would like, and your photo mats are to be placed in there, and you can cut these down to fit whatever size photos. They're big enough to do 2 4x6 photos. And then your icicles will go at the top here. And actually, let me glue those down. Okay, so we're going to make sure we have it going the right way. So see, this is the opposite way. So we'll turn it here so it's the green and the green. So at least if I have them in the same area of my scrapbook, they will match. And I think I'll put the icicles over here on this side. And I only put glue at the top so that I can slide photos underneath. If you have photos of the blizzard of 22, I've got the layout for you. And you don't even have to put the animals on. But I like it because, you know, this looks like the snow mounds. You can tuck them underneath. So there's a lot of different things you could use it for. I hope you like it. And I also have card kits that I will be coming on and doing a YouTube video on if you place an order of $100 or more with me. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.